Welcome back. So in the previous session, we have discussed about the logical operator, the AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. Just revisiting it, AND operator, whenever both the values are true, okay, or both the values are 1, then we have 1, otherwise everything is 0, okay. OR operator, either of them is 1, then, it is 1, okay, and not, if it is 0, it is 1, it is 1, it is 0. Or in other words, we can say AND operator, if both are true, this is true. True is represented by 1, okay, and this by 0, okay. Or if any one of is true, then we have true. And for not, if it is true, it is false. And if it is false, it is true. Okay. Now, till now, we have understood that whenever you are talking about 0 and 1 is true and all. So in the last class, I stopped somewhere like, if I said x is not equal to, value, suppose not 1, it is 20. Okay. And y is also 30. So what will be the output? Okay. So let us see. Then I will tell you. So let me write x is 20, okay, and y is 30, okay, and then this is z equal to x and operation y, okay, fine. Let me save it. Now let me execute. So what should be the answer? Sorry, we should write here an operation, okay, fine. So we got an operation is 1. 20 and 30, we got an operation is 1. Let us put another value. Let us say x equal to 100. Okay, and then also I will execute. See, we got 1 only. Okay, right? Let's change this to 3000 through 567. Okay, something like this value. Let me execute. Again, an operation is 1. So what we have observed here that any value, okay, which is not 0, okay, any value which is not 0 and positive here, right, any value which is positive, non-zero, we are getting that an operation is equal to 1, means it is considering both as true or positive, or what you say, true values. Okay, so let us make this as minus x equal to minus 100. So we got some negative value. Then let me execute it. Again we see the an operation is 1. Okay, let put both negative. Okay, let me execute. Again we got 1, right? In the case of negative value also we are getting 1. Now let us say this is 0. Again go back and y is equal to 0. Now let us see what is the value of z. Okay, we got it 0. So what we have understood from this is that any value, okay, which is not 0 is considered as 1, or we can say this is true. Okay, any value which is not 0 is considered as 1. Okay, so that means I have done for this for on an operation. If I do for or operation also, I will get the same. Sorry. Okay, let's say this is 30. Okay, and let me see to 0. So this is positive, so I think z, I don't know, z will get 1 only. Okay, let me, yes. Okay, again I written an operation. Let me send it to or operation. So let me execute now. Yes, or operation. This is true. 1, 1, 0. This is 1 only. Okay. Now let me layer here minus 40. Both are 1. Okay. So the z should be, z is 1. Okay. Or operation. Now both are 0. Now z should be 0. Yes, z is 0. That's what we have found. Yes. Right. And both are negative. Minus 10, minus 20, So let me execute again. Yes, or operation minus 20, 10 minus 20 also 1. Okay, great. So what we have understood that any value which is not 0 is considered as 1, and as per the concept of AND operation, both is true or 1, we have 1, and for all, if anyone is 1, okay, we get 1. And similarly for not also, okay, since I written minus 10, so not of x will be equal to 0 also. Let me see. Yes, sorry, I mean OR operation, so this is will be NOT not operation. Let me save it and execute. Yes, not operation is 0 minus 10. Yes, and if I write 10 also, it will give me 0. 10. Okay, yes, 0. Not operation, right? Now let me put this as 0. Now Z will be 1. Yes, 1. Okay, right? So it is fundamentally we are very clear with logical operator and or and not. Okay, and both true or both one we have got 1, or anyone is 1 we get 1, or not. Okay, any if it is 0 it is 1, if it is 1 it is 0. Then we found any value which is not 0 is considered as 1 or true. Okay, when we say any value not 0, both positive and negative we are talking about, right? And I have seen during using and operations, and we have seen that we got whatever we are saying for and we are getting if both are 1 itself, we're getting 1. Okay, so and like we put 20 20. Okay, x equal to 20, y equal to also 20, we'll get it is equal to 1 only. Now x equal to 20, y equal to 0, and operation will get 0, but for operation we get 1 as it is said. And x equal to 0 for not we'll get z. Okay, 1. And if x is equal to 20 minus 20 or whatever it will value, then not of x which will be nothing but 0. Yes, because this is positive, minus 20 is positive, so it will become negative. Okay, so now we are very clear with logical operator. Now since we are clear with logical, we can in the subsequent session we'll see we're going to use this logical operator in the control statement. Okay, thank you.